pretty soon we will be able to customize Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bags for February 2022. So I wanted to bring you some of the spoilers so you can kind of start thinking about if you want to try to pick any of these. I love it so much when this brand is put into subscription bags. It is a skincare product and I just love it because I like their products, but I don't want to spend the money. If you want to see what product I'm talking about, then keep on watching. Look at how cute this bag is. It does match with the base bag. And these are just a sneak peek at some of the items that could be in your bag. They are not the full spoilers. We have a Biro Fig Renewal Oil. I have never heard of that brand. It is $75 for 0.67 fluid ounce. On their website, it says it is for normal to dry skin, and it is cruelty-free and mineral oil free. So interested in that. I do have dry skin. I am in my 40s. Oh, by the way, if you're new here, my name is Staci. Thank you for stopping on by. I hope that if you like my style of video that you will consider subscribing. It is free. And I do get Ipsy gifted to me, so if you want to make sure you see what I actually get when I get my bag, then make sure you're subscribed. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming on back and spending some of your day with me. This eyeshadow palette, I think that looks really pretty. Now, I was seeing online some people saying how they felt like some of the colors were too similar to each other, and I can see that, but I'm still interested in trying it. I had never heard of this brand before last month. We did get a mascara from them. This is from Ditto, and it is a 12 eyeshadow pan palette. $29.99 is the retail. They are cruelty-free, vegan, and it is gluten-free. Okay, here is what I hope I get in my bag. I know I say this every time this skincare brand is an option, but their stuff's expensive, and I don't want to pay that, to be honest. So of course I like it when it's in a bag, but I've heard it pronounced 111 skin and 111 skin. So you could possibly get a pre-activated toner cleanser. Yeah. That retails for $70 for 120 ml on Derm Store and on their website. So everything that I've tried from them so far, I've liked. My favorite thing from them was the rose gold face mask because that like instantly brightened my skin. Loved that. That was in a FabFitFun box, but it's some pricey stuff. This toning cleanser does say it has castor oil on it. And as far as cruelty-free status, on their website, it says that they are cruelty-free. But I check a few different websites, and on those sites that just deal in cruelty-free and identifying if a brand is cruelty-free or not, they say that they have not been able to get a clear confirmation. That means that they've reached out and they've asked about like their raw materials and if they sell on the shelves in China. So I'm saying that this is a gray area. Another skincare item, what do you think about bags? Do you like to receive skincare, a combination of skincare and makeup, or more makeup, more skincare? I know that Ipsy does have the profile that you can fill out to hopefully you'll get more of what you're interested in, but do you have a preference? This is the Terra de Mars Eye Contour Cream. This has coffee extract and coffee oil in it, and it retails for $26 for 0.5 ounces on Amazon. It is made in France. Oh la la. I don't know why. I feel like anytime I have a product that is made in France, I instantly have to say that. Like, I feel like I just cannot say made in France and just leave it at that. Always gotta say, ooh la la. Am I the only one? Okay. They are cruelty-free. Do you know why coffee is so popular in skincare? This is why. Caffeine dilates your blood vessels, which makes it tighter, and tones the skin tissue for smoother appearance. You get a glowing effect from it because the antioxidants help flush out toxins from your skin, and that also helps give you a brighter, even skin tone. Do you like skincare products with coffee but I don't like coffee. Is anyone else like that? I don't like the smell of it or the taste of it or anything. Even if you doctor it up with some syrups and creams and sugar and all that, just not for me, but I like coffee skincare. Next we have, this is Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This retails for $49.95 for 1 fluid ounce, and they are cruelty-free, vegan, and fragrance-free. I have never heard of that brand or tried that brand. This says it features extracts of pineapple and watermelon and green tea. Nothing came to mind of anything that I've used that had watermelon and pineapple extract in it. So I'm interested on that one and to hear the reviews if I don't get that. A makeup item here, we have Beauty for Real, and this is one line 24/7 gel eyeliner. It's a duo in Night Fever and Heaven's Door. It says it has vitamin E in it, and they are cruelty free. This retails for $16 each, and I would take it or leave it. Like, I don't wear eyeliners a ton. I'm kind of getting into them a little bit more, but I don't wear them a ton. A lot of times I just use eyeshadow as eyeliner, so I could take it or leave it with that one. So far, are any of these exciting? Have you tried any of these so far? Or are you kind of like, no? Next, we have a Kate Somerville item. This is the Exfoliant Glow Moisturizer. It retails for $70 for 1.7 ounce at Ulta, Sephora, and their website. It's the same at all 3 locations. They are cruelty-free, but they are owned by Unilever, who is not cruelty-free. And the last spoiler we have is from Il Makiage. This is a mascara. It is a black card lift, curl, and lengthen. And if you have watched me before, you know what I say when I talk about mascaras in subscription boxes. If you have subscription services, you probably never need to buy a mascara, which I'm not complaining about. I have tried one mascara from Il Makiage and I really liked it. So I could, I wouldn't open this one right away if I received it, but I'm always happy to get mascaras, and they are cruelty-free. So just a quick video today. Just wanted to share some of those, and I'd love to get your feedback if any of those are items that you have tried and you like or didn't like. And if you have made it this far, thank you so much for staying until the end. I would love to know what your plans are for Valentine's Day. Are you going to do something or just stay in? Are you single, married, in a relationship? I am single and I don't really have plans for Valentine's Day, but hey, I'm sure I'll eat some chocolates or some cookies that I'm going to gift myself. So hey, thank you for watching. I hope that I will see you back here again. Again, if you're not already subscribed, you know we got to do the spiel. I hope that you would hit the subscribe button down below, and also share this out to anyone that you know that is, maybe possibly thinking about Ipsy, and see if that helps them. It does help my channel, so I greatly appreciate it. And I hope that you have a good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever and wherever you are. And if you want to see what I've gotten in past Ipsys, then you can click on any of the videos that are popping up on the screen here. And I'll see you next time. Bye!